After more than 2 decades of conflict, a generation of Somali children lost the opportunity for formal education. Somalia has one of the world's lowest enrollment rates for primary school age children. Only 30% of children are in school, and only 40% of these are girls. Further, only 18% of children in rural households are in school.
Sokaab is the first Somali-based crowdfunding platform for organizations and individuals that aim to support the communities and youth initiatives across the Somali regions. The platform aspires to empower the community by giving them the opportunity to create positive changes for themselves. Take a moment to reflect. This cannot be achieved without your donations. The time to take action is now. This is the story of the Somali people coming together to rebuild their country. This is the journey to proactively change their realities for the better. One community project at a time.
Music bed.